Well, I have no power. I'm running my generator. It's just like an icy stew here. My driveway is an absolute skating rink. And it's humbling, mountain life. I mean, it's beautiful and it's scary. I listen to music, I'm online, I'm using power all the time. And what's the cost of all of this stuff? I don't know. Well, I know, or I appreciate it more comprehensively when I'm isolated from the rest of the world. There's something beautiful and terrifying about this scene when there's no power. It's humbling and breathtaking at the same time. Mountain life. It is complicated.